Hi everybody, today I want to show you how to make a oatmeal bath with just 2 ingredients. This is super easy to make. The first thing that you're going to do is grab 1 cup of organic oatmeal. If you don't have it organic, you can use the regular one. Then we're going to put it on the mixer to make it look like a nice and fine powder. Now, the second ingredient will be chamomile flowers. These are organic, but if you don't have it, you can just use regular tea. I mixed half a cup of the flowers and of course I make it boil so we can have like a nice and very strong tea. The next step will be mixing these two things together so we can make a nice and very smooth liquid. Your next step is filling up your bathtub with water. Should be warm, not too hot. And then finally you can pour the liquid that we just mixed on it, and that's it. This is amazing if your kiddo has any type of rash on their body. That will help to dry that rash. So that's the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye.